If your Chevy Equinox is refusing to connect to Apple CarPlay, follow this quick playbook to get back online. Statistics show that 80% of infotainment connection issues are actually caused by simple cable faults or software hangs. Let us start by narrowing down the root cause of your connection failure. Always start with the basics by swapping your cable, cleaning your phone port, and testing a different USB input in your cabin. If hardware is fine, dive into your iPhone settings to ensure CarPlay is not restricted and try repairing your device entirely. Sometimes the vehicle system just needs a hard reboot, so hold the radio power button to force a restart of the interface. If these software steps fail, the issue might be a faulty USB module, which is when you should head to the dealer. As shown here, the cable remains the most frequent culprit, followed by phone settings and finally actual hardware failures. For advanced users, ensure permissions are set to allow access while locked, or try a network settings reset on your phone. Keep a high-quality cable and a small non-conductive pick in your glove box to handle any future connection hiccups on the road. Remember that technology is great until the handshake fails, so always prioritize checking the simplest physical connection point first. If these steps fixed your connection, let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more troubleshooting guides.